All right, so Grumpy picked it. We're breaking it.
Bear with us all. A little test run today.
Little test run, 2016 Topps Tribute Baseball. Gonna break a box, see how it goes, throw it up on YouTube, go from there. So, got 3 on-card autographs and 3 memorabilia cards per box. And here we go. Oh, there's 6 packs.
No, it's not the one that talks is super. It's got a big box at the bottom.
All right.
Yeah, and I was thinking also
Koufax, man. Koufax would be great. Koufax, Kershaw, Seager, any of those Dodgers would be good times for all. All right, so we got Brooks Robinson base, Trevor Rosenthal base, and the jersey is Jose Altuve. 66 of 99. And ladies and gentlemen, that little sticker you see is so you can go on MLB.com and see what game the jersey was actually used in. So, awesome hit for Houston.
Do all cards have that?
Not all cards have that. No, that is a thing Topps started last year and is doing very well.
Strata started it.
Yep, Topps Strata last year. All right. First card, Stan the Man Musial. Carlos Martinez. And the hit, Ken Griffey Jr. jersey card.
Oh, that we're going auto.
22 of 196 up there in the right corner. Nice hit for the Seattle Mariners. Sweetest swing ever in the history of baseball, in my opinion.
How do we get something off the test?
All right. Pack number 3. We're halfway there. As Bon Jovi would say, you're living on a prayer. Sorry, it was too easy.
Looked on the internet, there's one on it. Kind of.
Adrian Gonzalez base.
They only made 97 of them.
The Babe
But what I want
base card.
Say
And
hi
the
to Rory
autograph.
again. Say hi to Rory. Welcome to our shop.
Hey, that's me in the hat. They keep my mug away from the camera. Wade Boggs autograph. 19 of 50. Beautiful on-card autograph. Gotta love the old guys who actually sign well.
Can I zoom that in?
Do whatever you want, man.
Keep going. Yeah.
All right. Next pack. Everything's still going smooth, Bob? Grumpy? We got Ralph Kiner base.
and Gold Standard's good. They come with Father's Day packs.
Bobby Doerr base.
Excalibur and the Gold Standard.
And the hit,
Excalibur's 95.
Yoenis Cespedes. 17 of 199.
That's this year.
Also another one with the sticker, so you can go check out what game it was used in. Wonder if that'll increase the value of the cards, if it's, you know, like a game he hit a grand slam, had 2 home runs or any of that, or if it's going to hurt it if he's a 0 for 4 with 4 strikeouts type of thing. Got a redemption.
Can't find a good spot for that. Rory, that's a little close. Sorry, bud.
That's all right. Got a Ted Williams base. It cuts out when you move.
Does it?
How fast? If I move slow like this, does it work?
Yeah, that's not his.
Got a Michael Brantley green refractor. 75 out of 99.
Yeah.
And then, ladies and gentlemen, we have a redemption.
It's
Tribute autograph.
Well, I'm not sure what that's worth.
Michael Conforto. Not a bad start.
Yeah.
Last pack. Oh, got a quick glimpse of an autograph there if you saw it, folks.
With a straight lithograph, I'm not sure. Or if that's
Paul O'Neill base.
lithograph.
And that's what I'm saying.
Zach Greinke base.
Right. Yeah, it's super rare to come
Could change that
across,
lighting
like,
on these
original
cars.
ones. Like, that,
Just coming out.
And the autograph,
we've never had anything like that in 25 years.
Robert Stevenson from the Reds out of 150.
Yeah.
We had.
All right. So just to recap, got Robert Stevenson auto, Conforto auto,
I don't know. I mean, I can do the autograph.
Cespedes jersey,
That's not his. He
Yeah.
didn't sign that personally. But as far as between a
beautiful Boggs auto on card,
French or lithograph, that's
Yeah,
not
that's value. Like, what would you use?
Griffey jersey,
I'd have to look at it first.
and Altuve green jersey.
But I mean, that's probably.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's our first break on Brewtown. We'll see how it went and go from there. Thanks for watching.